Right, so easy to set mousetrap box. I kind of just judged everything as I did it. No real measurements. I could write down the measurements if you want. I will do, I'll put it in the description. So all you've got to do is, once it's made, you just pull the string and then that's the trap set. And when the string is down there, then you know it's been set off. So nice and easy to make, really easy to use as well. You might be thinking, what's the point in having a thing like this? But there is a good point, because if you've got mice and you want to put traps out, but you've got pets or children or other people who've got pets and stuff, as you might go near it, they can get injured in traps. Even, you know, small mouse traps, you don't want your dog's nose to get clattered in that. So if you build a box like this, you know it's completely safe and no one's going to get hurt by it. And also, you know, it gives you something to do. You can build something, and this is something you can definitely use in the UK as well. There's a lot of traps you can make, but we may not be able to use them, but you could make this and know that you can actually use it. You could also scale this up, make it big enough for a rat trap as well. So yeah, I quite like it. I think it's a good idea. Scale it up. I probably will do a bigger version, but the thing is, if you want to do it with the string setting, it has to be that type of rat trap or mouse trap. The normal mouse traps, you're going to need two hands to set them, so you won't be able to use the string method. You'll have to, you know, pull it down and lift the thing up with the other hand. But you can still make a box for them, but not an easy setting one like that. I've got a rat trap which will work off of a string, or I've seen them done in the box one I've got, the one I bought. It's got a cable tie on it, but it depends if your cable tie is long enough, which I don't think I had any. So the string works plenty good. So I'll put the dimensions in the description. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.